Let's go! Hi, Day! Good afternoon. Nag-vlog kami. Nakainit, alas 4 na. Kuan kanang sani kanang murag oven na ba?
Silky ang shade of white.
Dagana gud dadag iro diya. Hey, we're at guys ano capital si Anin. Oh, what's up ate? Si LK nandoon sa baba sa Palawan. Yan. Bibili kami ng cover. Oh, kadoon sa iyahang price ate. Mamili busy siya nila po dito corner. Ate, we're waiting for Anin kasi bumili siya ng potato. Hi, ate. Ate. Potato corner. Wow. We bought some school supplies here sa capital, guys. Probably you will not hear me. Yeah, we're just waiting kasi nandun sila sa potato corner and kain daw kami. Hindi kain. Yun lang shit. Hi, Dai. Ate is so ba-arty, guys. Di, usa na may kay Sharon dito.
Ako nga.
Santino. Ang dami na palang dito. Marami ng shops. Unlike before. Yan. Dodula.
Wala tayo space.
We're eating halo-halo from abuhan abuhan lechon kawali. Then, meron din kami fries, tapos dalawang cake.
May abuhan.
Courtesy from Sharon and Elkie. Thanks, guys.
Sa ka-vlog person.
Ikaw, sa man.
Kato ay bayot man na siya. Domestic.
Taga-kuan, domestic.
Kaya ka, kanang vlogger nga bayot.
Pero,
Lagi na makeup challenge sa jeep.
nagsunsuon din siya atong kuan ni katong Michelle Fox.
Nakasing video?
Napil ko.
Okay, nandito kami sa abuhan, guys, waiting. So, maingay. So, kakain
Tama ko ni
halo-halo.
siya man.
Nasa tricycle kami ni Ate. Nandun sila siya din sa back ride. Ate, hold you na. No, this way. I'm scared. I'm scared sa tricycle, guys. Tapos si Shanin yung bayan. Malapit lang naman sa dito sa kanila, maglalakad na lang kami, but we said na tricycle daw. Kasi ayaw namin mag-tricycle. Ayun, Ate. So, medyo malapit na kami. Apartment na. Hi guys. Hello. Bumaba na kami sa tricycle and we're walking home. Hi guys. Hala, unsa na 6 o'clock na no? Pero it's still koan pa. Mahayag. Unsa di Tagalog sa mahayag. Dapat magtagalig man jud daw ka kay hindi naman sila makaantig. Yeah. Ulo na lain na ni mo ninoy. Wala na ibaka. Bad ka na.
Inana akong vlog ka namang ba? Permi nila ba?
Ikuan ko to nin pip. Di pwede mambash. Nandito na kami and grabe si Awi, guys. Ang saya-saya ni Awi to see us. Oh my god, we so happy. Awi. Grabe, may araw pa rin. It's already past 6. It's 6:15 na, guys. There's still sun. Wow, really had time. A great time. Oh, no! Hello, guys. So, yun nga, we're home and I'm going to finish covering their notebook. Kasi yesterday, when I was covering their books and notebooks, we ran out of the plastic cover. So, that's why we went to Daisoholic to buy this plastic cover. Kasi yung binili ko pala last time was for, notebook. Ito yung binili ko marami kaming binili. We bought 4 of this and para sa notebook lang pala. So we need this one, this longer one, guys, para sa books. Yan. Hindi ko alam na ano pala, may pang notebook tsaka pang ano, pang books. Yeah, because 'di ba before we only use yung mahabang ano plastic cover, guys, unlike this one. Nowadays daw ito na yung ginagamit kasi mas mabilis daw, you don't need to cut more, but may ano pala, dalawang variety pa rin for books and for notebook. So yon, so we did not finish last night kasi nga kulang, and then I'm going to continue covering their books. Yan, books na lang, no ate, yung kulang, no? You're already finished with everything, with your requirements, no? Grabe, pinapanon sa siya. So yun, I'm gonna cover na. And konti lang, mga 10 books na lang, mabilis lang yun. Hopefully.
9 naman.
9 imo? Ba't na may 1 kang baba?
9 na eh.
8 lang yung sa imo. 8 lang pala yung sa kanya, and then 1 kay baba. Virgin pa ka to. He was showing me a video of them 1993 daw. 1993 I was 12. Ayan, I already cut the plastics and ano na lang, ano ba ang tawag nito? Scotch tape. Iti-tape ko na lang sila, guys. Yan. Ang hirap mag-cut ng plastic. Whew, finally, I'm done covering all their books, and may ano pa, dalawang notebook na hindi pa kasi wala na. Naubusan na kami ng sticker, and yeah. So, she needs to print and sticker, and yun nga, hindi kami bumili ng stickers. But at least, the books are covered na, everything, and ano na lang. Tomorrow, I am planning, we are going to, I don't have client tomorrow, so we are planning to go to my salon because I'm going to do rebond on Baba, and hopefully I could film that kasi I wanted to share to you guys how to rebond hair, but I think I will put disclaimer on it. So, kasi not all people can do rebond hair. If you wanna do it yourself, then it is your own decision or at your own risk. So, I'm planning tomorrow to film how to rebond hair. Yun nga, kay Baba. So, and I'm also going to do keratin on Sashi's hair because her hair has started to get dry again. Yeah, I forgot when was the last time. I think we did February, keratin on her on last February, and Baba's hair, I rebonded Baba's hair last January or February, I forgot, but I need to retouch her hair because it has grown already, so she is showing a little curly, and I wanted to do it before the school starts para fresh naman siya for the school, di ba? Pag start ng school, fresh si Baba, I mean, when she is going to school on her first day, and Sashi as well. So, yon. So, dapat Monday pa, kasi it takes 3 days para maligo. So, at least, nakaligo na sila on their first day of school. So, that is my plan for tomorrow. Hopefully, matutuloy yung plan na yan, guys. So, oh my gosh, it's so init today. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why am I saying oh my God? Oh God. So, kanina pala, it was so weird kasi ang init. And then, mulan. Yeah. Mulan, pero ang init sa labas. It was so weird. Climate nowadays is so weird, guys. So, yun lang. There's nothing much to do today because it's Sunday. And, yun. nothing much to do. We end up not going to church kasi nga hindi makadaan yung sasakyan namin. So, yun. And I will say goodnight now, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. And I hope you have a wonderful and great day today, as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep it small. And I'll see you in my next video. Good night.